to learn how to use your social media channels like a funnel without paid ads, website, or other tech stuff. Good news is that in organic attraction marketing, that's exactly what we teach. Continue watching this video so you will create your own social media funnel. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase or beg anyone to join them and instead create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode helping you with your business every single week. And I also have a digital recruiting bootcamp to help you attract more prospects to you every single day. There's going to be a link in the description of this video. In attraction marketing, there are three main stages, and that is attract, influence, and enroll. And we're going to talk about these three stages now and how you can implement them in your social media, how your social media can act as a free funnel. So the first part, attract, means attracting your audience, attracting your target market that are likely interested in what you have. And it's strategies for creating new friends and followers. In the influence stage, we are providing value through content. We want them to stay. And if you're only posting about your products and not giving them enough value, they're not going to stay. In the enroll stage is when they will actually start reaching out to you, asking for more information, or telling you that they're interested in learning more. When I was using attraction marketing just organically on my social media channels, I was able to attract 10 different leads every single day. And that resulted in about 1 sale per every 10 leads. So let's break it down. Attract, you can do that in 3 different ways. You can do that through pages of different gurus and people in your niche. You can do it through Facebook groups, or you can do it by creating a short form videos like Reels or TikToks. And this is how you're building audience to come to you. So you're building those people who you're going to be influencing. People after see one of your Reels, for example, or see you somewhere interacting in the group, first thing they're going to check is your profile. You're going to look at your pin posts, at your bio, at your featured photos, your last 5 posts. So your post and your content is growing your influence, but so are short form videos as well, because they don't necessarily have to be to attract a new audience, but also to educate the existing audience or to entertain them. So you're going to be doing different tips and also live videos. And then the enroll phase can happen either through your value-based Facebook group, the announcement post where you're asking people to raise their hand if they want more information. But then the best place where the enrollment happens is inside of your messenger. And the best place for that on your social media are your stories, because stories are directly linked to your messenger. So when somebody comments on your story or reacts on your story, you can have that conversation right there and then with them in the messenger. And the goal is to have conversations. And here's a mistake that most network marketers make. They want to go straight for the enrollment and they want to skip the first 2 phases, which are crucial, because you're not going to be able to enroll anyone if you're not providing value, if you're not building and growing your influence, which means they will like you, they will trust you, they will know you, and they will want to buy and join you in your business. And plus you don't have the audience size yet to be able to just post those links and get the enrollments going. So be patient, focus on first things first, attracting, creating your ideal audience, connecting with new people every single day, having traffic so people can see your posts, and then build the influence through your posts through staying consistent. Show up when you say that you will, and you will start seeing results in the form of new customers and new team members. And if you'd like to learn more about how to create the attraction marketing funnel and all the details, then definitely go and start with my attraction marketing bootcamp. There's going to be a link somewhere around this video where you can sign up. My question for you is, what kind of strategy are you using to currently grow your audience? Drop me the answer in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to never miss a new episode, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.